What is going on today, guys? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be working on the O2 Dodge again here. Last video I didn't really actually show you guys too much of the truck, so today we'll do a bit of a walk around. I also have new headlights and taillights to put in it, which are going to make it look really nice. So but first things first, do a little bit more of a walk around on the truck. As I mentioned last video, O2 Dodge diesel. It's got a 3-inch straight pipe on it, which I wouldn't mind changing to 4-inch. Just give a little bit of a throatier tone. Rear bumper's a little bit rough. Probably gonna replace that with something at some point. Box I wouldn't mind replacing as well. It's a little bit rough. It's not too bad, but just a lot of dings kind of along the top. But anyway, so looking at the truck here, it's got 365,000 K on it. Neighbors going by. Yeah, full leather heated power seats, normal rips in the seats. That happens on all the Dodges. Yeah, overall in pretty decent shape. Probably gonna do a 3-pillar gauge up the side here. Eventually, I don't know, that'll be a video someday. But yeah, I got the half back seat. I really wanted a truck with a cab and a half, or extended cab, or whatever you call it. Really nice for putting all your sledding gear and stuff like that in the back seat that way. I wanted a short box because that way it might fit my sled deck. We might actually do that later in the video today too. I honestly haven't even measured to see if the sled deck fits, but I think it should. Yeah, going around. Oh, actually, you know what? I'll pop the hood here. Let's see here. Hood latch actually works too. Oh, I'm missing a mouse trap. So we got K&N hot air intake on this thing. It did have a shield box to go around the air filter, but I mean, it wasn't doing a whole lot. I'll probably be replacing it quite soon with either an AFE or a S&B. It's very similar sounding brand names, but anyway, cold air intake that actually pulls from the factory location. So yeah, other than that, motor is like bone stock. It's 24 valve. Let's do this for a change here. Yeah, 24 valve, and it apparently had a chip on it at one time. It no longer has a chip on it anymore. I did check it for blow-by, and it has like quite literally 0 blow-by. It's definitely in not bad shape as far as that goes. Transmission was rebuilt 4 or 5 years ago, so who's to say if it might be needing another one fairly soonish, but it runs and drives awesome. So yeah, got a couple of front end parts there changed out a while ago here now, but yeah, so overall not bad for the price range. Pretty good shape. It had, I'll throw a picture in here of what the truck looked like before. Actually, let's just go over this way again here. Of what the truck looked like before. It had running board steps on it along the bottom there, and I think those actually kept the cab from rusting out quite a bit. It does have a bit of rust in the front fender area. I'm gonna be getting new front fenders for it. I'm hoping to find some off of a junkyard truck that are still pretty clean. And then all the little bits and pieces, like little speckles of rust and stuff, I'm hoping to get fixed by a body shop. And then this thing will actually be in like really nice shape. So just a bunch of little stuff basically for the truck. So whew, that's a lot to talk about. Yeah, I mean, the possibilities are endless. I'd like to put a fuel gauge, fuel pressure gauge in the truck so I can monitor that. Apparently the VP44 fuel pumps that are injection pumps that are in these trucks are pretty sensitive to fuel pressure. If they don't have enough, it kills them. So possibly do a lift pump in it at some point. We'll have to see about that. And an exhaust brake is a nice idea. I'd definitely be interested in looking into it some more. But anyway, so you know, lots and lots of possibilities for the truck. But as it is, we're basically, oh yeah, another thing before winter comes, before sled season, is we're getting new tires and rims for it, because these ones are just, well, they're stock. Need I say more? I'm definitely gonna go with a gloss black fuel well, maybe not fuel, but gloss black, not deep dish, but maybe a little bit of dish would look pretty good on it. 17-inch rim, 35-inch tire. Yeah, so that's the plan before sledding season, is just to kind of like fix it up good enough to get us through the season, make it look nice, give it our own personal touch, and then into like next summer kind of thing, we'll be really hopefully adding a few more pretty cool things. So anyway, that's kind of the plan for the truck, and hope you guys enjoyed the videos. And I guess if you guys have any questions about the truck, let me know in the comments, and let's get started on the headlights here. Oh man, that looks so much better. Not bad at all. I'm liking it. I have a grill on order for it. It's been on order for like a week and a half now, and it still isn't here. I'm thinking I'm gonna do a gloss black insert with white to match the truck grill. I think that'll look pretty good. Let me know what you guys think, because the other option would be to just black it all right out, which probably actually wouldn't look too bad either. But keeping in mind, I'm wanting to do a different bumper on this truck, either an alley arc or a herd bumper. So if anyone's in the North Okanagan area, or even the Okanagan in general, or Shuswap, and knows of anyone selling an alley arc or a herd brand bumper for these trucks, let me know. Message me on Instagram or comment below or something like that. Basically, I want to get one of those bumpers and get it powder coated gloss black, so that'll cover up a bunch of the front of the truck in gloss black already, and I thought a white grill behind it would kind of look cool as a contrast. So that's kind of the reasoning behind why I would want to do a white grill. Yeah, anyway, as it is, truck's shaping up. It's looking really awesome. I don't think I'm gonna bother filming doing the taillights, because they're literally the exact same as stock. They're just not broken. The ones that are in it are cracked up and smashed and broken and stuff, so just gonna swap those out. And oh yeah, I guess we should see if the sled deck fits on this thing. Oh, right, there you have it. So the sled deck fits awesome, actually. It's almost fitting better than it did in my Ford. But yeah, so that's really good. Also yesterday, I peeled off the black bars off the sides of the truck and removed the logos, or the logos. So much cleaner looking now. Now pretty soon here we need to replace these fenders, because as you can see, they're pretty rusty just along the bottom there. But yeah, other than that, the truck is coming along great. It looks super clean now with all that stuff removed off the side. It's looking really nice. Next video, I'll definitely try and have more. Oh man, there's a bit of wind all of a sudden. Next video, I'll definitely try and have a little bit more working on the truck and less talking. It all just kind of depends on how fast things come in the mail, because I've got a whole bunch of stuff ordered, but it all takes different times to show up, most of which is a long time. So anyway, yeah, so be on the lookout for further videos. There's some pretty cool stuff going to be putting on this truck, and it's going to be ready to go on the road pretty soon. I actually have it insured now, so technically I could take it on the road now, but I don't want to quite yet. But Anyway, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and be on the lookout for another one soon. See you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.